Didn't sleep yesterday. There were a lot of mosquitoes, and I think the dark circles are visible. Anyways, so there's a mosquito going around. Anyways, today I won't be cycling much. Definitely not 100 kilometers. Probably try to reach 50 kilometers and stop at Mahe, or else if the road is good, 75 kilometers. Or if I feel better, maybe more. But Mahe and Payoli, these are the targets for today. And the time is past 8:30, so I'm already late. Need to leave. Oh, my brush. Not a good start for the day. The time is already 9:30. Yesterday I kind of kept my bungee cords, which is used to tie the bag to the carrier, on another bike to maybe take my bag or take my the other small bag on the cycle, and I probably might have forgotten to take it back. And today in the morning it's nowhere to be seen, so I'm carrying my bag on my back. So yeah, a little disappointed. Need to find a shop where I can get the bungee cords. So the first task and the main task will be that, and then we'll think about the other targets. So I've got my bungee cords, but the previous one was a little better. This is okay, does a job, and just 100 rupees, but I missed the old one. So this is the market of Thaliparamba, and people and vehicles are just going by without looking, which is fantastic. The time is 10:30. 1 hour has passed of riding and 15 kilometers completed. More 60 kilometers to go for Payoli. Payoli will probably be the last stop, or else I may also stop at Mahe, which is 40 kilometers. So on this road, first you have Kannur. Kannur will be here within 8-10 kilometers. Then we'll have Thalassery, and then we'll have Mahe, and then we'll have Vadagara, and then we'll have Payoli. And Mahe is a part of Pondicherry or Puducherry. It's not a part of Kerala, though the people and the language is Malayalam. But it belongs to Pondicherry. So we are in Kannur now. The slope was too much. Yes, so this is Kannur city, one of the state district as well as city to have international airport, the Kannur International Airport, which is a very new one. Refill time. 50 kilometers more to reach Payodi. I took a small break and had Paramburi, which in English is called banana fritters. It's basically the Kerala kela fried in besan. What's the English name for besan? I don't know. So yeah, but it's a sweet dish and it's a kind of a staple sweet or staple dish of Kerala. I have it every single time when I come to Kerala, and you should try it too. So welcome to Thalassery. This place is very famous for its beach and biryani. In fact, Thalassery biryani is well known in India. Probably one of the best in India. So I will be stopping in Mahe as I think I'm exerting too much on my body. Especially I haven't slept properly since Goa, to be honest. I'm not getting the continuous sleep. I'm just sleeping for 2-3 hours and then sleeping in bits and pieces. Yesterday there was a lot of mosquitoes and I think the maximum I slept at a stretch was for 1 hour. So I'll take some rest today, and with rest I will take a chilled beer. Reached Mahe and I'll end my ride today in Mahe. I need to go and sleep. Like just jump into the bed. Checked into a hotel in Mahe, and the plan is to sleep early today. I mean, visit some of Mahe and sleep early today and wake up tomorrow early in the morning and cycle. So yeah, I mean, I'm really exhausted. That's the reason I've checked in. So I'll get back to editing, wash my clothes, and then I'll sleep off. So do like, share, subscribe the video. Tell other people of what is being done over here and let them know, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Before the day ends, I met my friend Sham. We worked together in Kerala and he took me around. He took me to the Thalassery beach. Beautiful beach. I will be putting the whole collage of our meet and just the beach. We just went to the Thalassery beach and the fort was closed, so we just saw the beach and the beautiful sunset where the sun actually dips into the water, not like what we see in many cities, thick black smog and the sun goes into it. This was literally the whole red sun going into the water. I don't know if my GoPro has captured properly, but I'll be putting that video in the end of our video. So yeah, bye again. Wow, viva, my friends, yeah.
You're coming from?
I'm good.